Hello. Another dish from the poor man's harvest. Chicken from the food bank. Celery and kale slicings. The leaf off the celery and some thinly sliced red potatoes. Oh yeah, look at that. A little finger food action tonight. Let's check it out. All right. Not bad. It's kind of like white Mexican food, Spanish food. Red potatoes, sliced thinly, fried, fried chicken, of course, and kale, and the leafy part of celery clippings, and of course the tortillas, and remember, Sriracha. Corn tortillas, the white ones, of course. White corn tortillas. When they get soft after you bake, steam them or fry them up. That's pretty good.